Hey, welcome to the show. My name is Dan Clark. I am also known as, go by Bruce Thumb. This is going to be a quick little video just to try out OBS and to see if I could produce something that I could throw up on YouTube and make it look presentable. Hopefully, this is going to be something somewhat decent, so we'll see. So the first thing I'm going to do, or for this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Rails project. And the idea here is just to kind of show how to set up a Rails project and how to get it going so that others can see, and also give a little bit of an introduction to database structure and all that other fun stuff, because I am a huge database geek and I'm hoping to share some of that knowledge with all of you. So let's do a Rails new, and let's just call this a task miner, a task minder thing. So this is going to be something that we're going to use. Is actually using Rails 5.2, so that I don't want to do. So let's see where this actually takes us. Yeah, that's Rails 2. Okay, or 5.2. So let's see. What do we have? So let me rm rf that. It's gone. Okay, so let's see here. So let's see here. Gem list. Caps lock. Let's see here. So we have on here Rails 5.2.4.2. So I want to do gem install Rails, and I believe this is how you do it. 6.0.3. Let's see if I'm right. I might be right. Did it do it? I see 6. Yep. All right. So while that installed, that was quick. So now let's try Rails. Actually, let's try first. Just see here, Rails version. Beautiful. We are now on Rails 6.0.3, which is the latest as of this recording. So I'm going to do a Rails new task minder. And all this is going to be is just like a quick little app to just show off the basics of how to run a database, or how to structure a database. Gonna have to learn audio editing, or not audio. Jeez, this is gonna be horrible. I think I might just post this just for the comedy of it all, but also to see mostly if I can do this and if it actually shows up pretty decently. This will be, I'm going to show this to Samuel just because I'm sure he'll get a kick out of this and be like, oh my God, you're doing so many things wrong. Why are you doing this? Oh yeah, and by the way, this is my basement. My house has been taken over by my kids, and I have an unfinished basement, so this is where my office is. And until we get a bunch of things done, it's going to be where I am. All right, this is taking a while. I might just need to edit this or something. I'm definitely going to have to edit this. My CPU is only at 18%. That's not that bad. I thought it'd be a lot worse. Oh my gosh. Is this thing even still running? Yeah, it is still running. Oh, sass. If only everything could be back-end code, we'd all be so much happier. But unfortunately, people like things to be pretty. And I suck at making things pretty. I might just stop this here because it's already 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my god, this is horrible. This is like Nokogiri, except worse. I feel like at least Nokogiri gets done after a little bit. And for those of you who don't know, Nokogiri is an XML gem that allows you to manipulate XML. It's been the bane of my existence at my job just because it's always getting updated, and so it's always a pain in the butt because every other week there is a CVE that needs to be updated and applied. People just wouldn't hack, we'd be fine. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. My next step is going to be video editing software because I don't understand why this is taking so long. Is it maybe waiting for me to put in a password maybe? Oh my gosh. So I think every video I do is going to have 2 takes. One where I actually do the whole video from start to finish, and then I'll watch it, take notes of what the hell I did wrong the first time, like this. Although, this might not be too bad, because I can always edit this part out, and none of you will ever know. Although I think I might just edit the other way around, where I pretty much just say, hey, here's Rails New, and then I get up to this point, and then this is where you start listening. I think that'd be kind of cool. The first outtake, before the first actual video. The first outtake for the video that never actually hit YouTube. Oh my gosh. This is actually kind of weird. I never thought I would ever post anything to YouTube. Is this cringy? Like, I don't even know anymore. What is this thing doing? Making me breakfast? Like, I'm not even really sure what this thing is even doing anymore. Oh my gosh. Please, just finish whatever you're doing. I'm starting to think that this thing is not actually doing anything. I'm almost tempted to control C out of it, but I want to see it to the end. It's been another 3 minutes. It's got to be my machine. There's got to be something wrong. Maybe this is the first build. Maybe it's doing something, and subsequent times I go to run Rails New, it won't be that bad. I mean, if this is the case, I'm not upgrading to 6.0. I'm just going to stay on 5.2 forever. Vulnerabilities and all. We don't need no fancy things. So you'd be able to do Rails really quick if you get it installed. I mean, that's usually how I see these things going down. I mean, maybe I should just, it might be, I don't know. This just seems obnoxiously long. No, it is obnoxiously long. We're at 9 minutes for this video, and I should have been done by now. Oh my gosh. I feel like there's something else waiting. Like, what's going on here? Maybe terminal? My gosh, what native extensions are you installing? About ready to take a nap. Someone wake me when this is done. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh, it did it. What did it do? What's it doing? I don't even know what it's doing. Um, Webpacker install. The next run of this better be much faster, or else I don't even know. I might just create a template application and then just. My gosh, that's pretty. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Is this all like Webpacker and stuff? This is Webpacker, I think. I have never used Webpacker, by the way. Everyone keeps on saying it's the best thing since, like, sliced bread, but we'll see. Also, my machine's older than dirt. It's like 5-year-old at least. I don't even know when I bought this machine. No, I know when I bought this machine. It was before, I think it was the beginning of my last job, which was, geez, 6-7 years ago, probably. And it's also an i3. It's going to be time for a new machine soon. And by soon, I mean like probably 3 years ago. See, the thing is, I never used it. Like, I've always used my work machine for things, but so this was just my way of like, hey, I want to surf the web and write a little bit of code here and there. Nothing too serious, like, processing video that's 20 minutes long because some package took like 10 minutes to install. Not sure if I'm installing or starting up a Rails project or installing the internet. Might be worse. Oh my god. Ooh, emojis. That's pretty. Okay. Okay, so let's get this party started. I'm just going to bring this thing up, assuming that it still works the way, things are supposed to work. Wait. Something's not working. What did this just say? Rails. What? Is there not a Rails S? Am I doing something wrong? Oh, because I'm not. I am doing something wrong. This is where we do it. I needed to be inside the directory, so now let's try Rails S, which brings up a server instance for Rails so that you can actually see on my other machine, or my other screen. So 6.3. I'm just going to let this boot up Puma and show you what this kind of looks like. Actually, is it done? I guess it's done. Usually I thought it would say like listening on or something like that, but I might be mixing up my frameworks. So here we go. That is not it. That's another project that I'm working on that I need to kill. Hold on 1 second. This is going to be a comedy reel, I swear. This is just going to be me screwing around, making people suffer because I'm learning this stuff on the fly, people. But I'm actually feeling really comfortable with this, so this isn't that bad. So if you don't rambling about God knows what, well, maybe this might not be. What's going on here? Did it just blow up? Up again. Oh my gosh, there's going to be a 15-minute video on how to start a Rails new project. I am so sorry for everyone. Actually, I am kind of curious though if I start another Rails project, if it'll take just as long. I mean, if it does, then I guess maybe do one video on how to do Rails new for 6.03 and just make it like just a dialogue of, I don't know, all the horrible things and stuff that I unfortunately think about, which is nothing really too bad, but still. Oh, There we go. That's what I was expecting. I was expecting to see, there we go, listening on whatever. So let's go back to our thing. So that should be a thing for an. Yeah, you're on Rails 6.0. All right, but yeah, thanks for thanks for enduring that horrific experience. Let's see how bad the video comes out. And if you have any feedback, hit me up at Dan Clark on Twitter. Thanks. Bye, everyone.